This is the story of BoyAmor. But who is BoyAmor? I'm BoyAmor, you're BoyAmor, and we're BoyAmor. But for now, let's go back to the beginning. We're still in Osgore. The sun is shining, and it looks like there's finally some swell on the way. It seems to be the perfect day to follow the sun to the south. Also, there's just one thing on Adam's mind, and that's boards. A lot of them. So we crossed the border to Spain to visit an old friend at Pukas. Excited to see the backstage of how surfboards are made.
Bien.
Perfect. And tu veux de l'eau? And agua con gas?
Agua con gas,
Sí, de banana y...
banana y fresa,
No, banana y
miel. Ok.
After some crepes, a smoothie and some waffles, we're ready to visit the factory.
Hello, and the cameraman.
It was actually my dad who started, making surfboards as a living with a bunch of friends. That was 1973. Then it was my mom who was really in love with my dad. She started sewing bikinis. So as we speak now, always is Pukas is surfboards and bikinis. This has been running for 45 years already, and so we're looking forward for another chapter.
Et full capacité ici, si vous êtes full, vous pouvez doubler.
Non, mais full même.
Ah ouais?
Full. Genre, toutes les shapers ils sont full parce que là, il faut faire attention. Combien de shapers toi, combien de glaceurs toi.
Ouais.
Parce qu'imagine, dans un endroit, il y a quelqu'un qui ne vient pas ou deux gars qui sont au travail.
I served in the pool in the magnetic.
Pukas Magnetic Twin is the latest mid-length that has come out from Pukas, shaped by David Santos.
You like it?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Biggie, good paddling.
Easy.
Yeah. Easy to rail, no?
Exactly.
Wow, nice.
What are you shaping now? Which model?
Beachwood.
Beachwood, okay.
Well, it's a performance everyday surfboards.
Okay. They receive the blanks like this.
Yeah, the machine cut everything.
Do the pre-shape.
And where's the glass?
On the outside.
Other side.
Smell it.
Filled with new knowledge and a deeper appreciation for the craft, we find out that our love for boards isn't the only thing we have in common. Turns out, one of the workers is a musician himself.
That's video diagram.
It's the new album is cool. It's more fun, more like disco pop.
There's really just one thing that makes sense now. Obviously, to finally go surfing.
C'est quand même fou l'effet que ça fait de te voir rouler ainsi des yeux et des hanches. Si tu fais comme le café, rien qu'à m'énerver.
We are in Biarritz right now to visit a studio. Apparently, Supakitch, that's the name.
At this first exhibition, someone saw my paint, and he never know about graffiti, about pop art and something like this. And he said just because it was very colorful, he said, "Wow, it's kitsch."
Oh, wow, yeah.
So it became a joke. So it was funny. So I decided to use it and say Supakitch.
Mais t'es qui, toi?
Il vient avec un jouet et tout.
C'est cool, hein, elle est dégradée
en
et
plus,
tout,
elle est
là.
beaucoup plus lisse que...
Ouais, mais en fait, tu vois, ça c'est fait vraiment comme les tableaux, tu vois, en résine. Et après, ouais, l'idée c'était, je voulais en faire en céramique, tu vois. Enfin, tu sais, utiliser matériaux naturels un peu. Et en vrai, pour l'instant, on n'a pas trouvé mieux que
le toxique, quoi.
que le chimique.
C'est hyper léger.
Ouais, c'est léger.
C'est vide, ouais, je pense.
Ouais. Bah, c'est de la mousse à l'intérieur, tu vois.
Ah ouais.
Ouais.
Je joue au football avec ça.
Oui, il va pas rebondir très droit. Tu vois, ce dont je te parlais quand je te disais que tu sais, les reflets, tu sais, qui bougent devant les arbres en fait.
C'est le premier truc que j'ai dit en rentrant, c'est en fait, il faut le voir en vrai.
Ouais,
Ah oui.
oui.
Je comprenais pas
envie
trop en
de
photo.
toucher, quoi, tu vois.
Ouais.
Tu as envie de le toucher.
C'est trop bien.
Fais ton workout en même temps.
C'est ça, pas besoin d'aller à la salle. Ça devrait arriver. Mais pour au début, il n'y a pas la musique, donc je sais pas.
It was beautiful to get a chance to meet Supakitch. He welcomed us in his house and gave us a glimpse of the space in which he creates.
Like, imagine sunset, perfect right hand. It's like blanc bord paradis.
Perfect day is coming to an end, but one thing is still missing. You guessed right, it's music.
You okay?
Would you be down to grab some pizza? Would you be down to grab some pizza? And of course some pizza, to end a day that will fill our hearts for a long time.
Ah, ici là? Ouais.
I'm hungry.
Osgore has given us everything we could have asked for, and more. So as a new day starts, it's time for us to move on. The van is packed and we start driving. Not far, but far enough to find some new inspiration. We arrive at this beautiful place on a cliff that's slowly falling into the ocean as we speak, reminding us once again that everything fades. There was something special about this place, and somehow, it's where we wrote our favorite song.
Magnifique.
Can't you see that it's just rain? There ain't no need to go outside. Ain't no need, ain't no need.
On days like these, we are once again reminded how lucky we are to call this our life, to wake up every day, surf and create art together, to share these moments with great friends, and to make many more along the way. BoyAmor is the perfect excuse to go on trips like these, to make new memories, and most of all, to love life.